Good morning, East Duplin High School. Welcome to the start of the second semester and goodbye to the year 2020. That was supposed to be the year of perfect vision, but it was more like the year of hindsight. We're going to do something new today and read our morning announcements virtually. Well, I'm not reading them virtually. I'm actually reading them, but you're seeing them virtually. We're doing this so that all students, whether you're face-to-face or remote, can kind of go through this common activity on a daily or at least weekly basis. One of the goals this semester is to move forward as normally as possible with more activities to help our students become more connected to our school. Yes, I said that, more connected to our school. We want you to be connected to East Duplin High School. In response to this, please be on the lookout for future information containing or concerning class officers. We haven't really got that worked out yet, but we are going to have class officers this year, so be on the lookout for that. Another move we're going to be making is to begin announcing birthdays on a weekly basis. We've not done that before, but we're going to try that. And with that in mind, we have 19 students that have birthdays from January 1st through January the 10th. We want to wish the following students a very happy birthday. We have Elena Campos, Satora Jones, Jeremy Moretti, Brody Hamilton, Madeline Quinn, Kimberly Zapata, Bailey Clinton, Victor Campos, Darwin Bonilla, Swendy Canales, Olivia Carter, Hannah Dutton, Gregorio Gonzaga, Michaela Jenkins, Perla Rivera, Rachel Walker, Shania Wooten, and Marley Moretti. I left one off. Timothy Valdez, he also has a birthday. So if you see any of these students, please wish them a happy birthday. In other news for today, we want to congratulate our volleyball teams, both the JV and the varsity volleyball teams. They had big wins last night over James Keenan. We also want to give a big shout out to our senior volleyball players, Ava Hall, Jenna Davis, Maddie Simpson, Dessa Houston, Taylor Thigpen, Taylor Dale, and Suzanne Jarman. Congratulations to these seniors on representing our school so very well over the past few years. Students, we highly encourage you to participate in all Google Meets each day, each period, each day, each period, period. This is a major part of moving towards a normal school experience. We understand that there are many different issues families are facing during this pandemic, but we also want to remind you that you are still high school students that need to finish your education in order to give you the best possible chance of a brighter future. And the teachers at our school, at your school, East Duplin High School, your teachers don't want to just give you an education. They want to give you the best possible education that they can possibly provide you. Take advantage of this. That's it for today's announcements. I hope you all have a wonderful first day and a wonderful rest of the week. Take care.